Hello guys, today I am introducing a stereo board that's 80 watt per channel at 4 ohms and 40 watts per channel at 8 ohms, and they recommend 8-inch speakers for this circuit. So this is a product from VI Audio. They usually build such circuit boards like stereo board, mono board or 5.1 filter boards, and also such variety of audio circuits. So this is one of the latest bed type stereo board from VI Audio. This board functions at 27027 dual supply or 24024 dual supply. Here is the input point and the two speaker terminals are here. Without wasting any time, I'll show you how this board is performing. I am connecting a 27027 dual supply from this transformer to this rectifier. So we will get something like 35 volt DC or around that. Here is the negative, 0 means ground, and positive volt here. So the blue is negative, green is ground, and yellow is positive. And the terminals here, the end points are ground, speaker ground, and here is the speaker positive. Next is the inputs. So I have connected my laptop to this RCA connector, and there is a volume control connector in between. So you can simply connect it like this. The input and power supply is ready. Now we will connect the speakers. Okay, now you can see I have connected two speakers. That's a bookshelf from Kef that I've been using for my laptop editing and for playing music. I'll be playing a music from NCS Musics. They have a variety of music and no copyright issues. So when we power it on, you can see a blue indicator is here. At this point it will glow. Let's see. So the blue indicator is on, power is okay, the board is ready to go. So okay, let's see.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.
It's a flat response. I'm not using any EQ or any setup, directly from the laptop.
We'll ever trust, yeah. No, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go.
Mic is catching.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on
We increase the volume. Flipping. Okay, nice punch, nice bass, and overall it's sounding good. Is it? Let's check another music. I'm playing another NCS music. The volume a little. Nice.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty.
The vocals are good.
I can see my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for me. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. My heroes tonight, we will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.
So that's it. It's an excellent best board. So let me disconnect it from here, and it's a better circuit, that's why it's performing, and they have used almost good components to assemble this board. There they have used Toshiba C5198 transistor per pair for each channel, left and right. Also they have used a good quality glass epoxy board for setting, assembling this, and they have provided almost a good heat sink. Even at this loudness, there's only a slight heat that I can feel here. Their WhatsApp number is here, and I'll also add that number in the description. You can, if you are interested, you can check it out. You can check their catalog. They have provided their more of their products and listed the price details and everything. So you can check it out. So that was a good experience. And comment below what's your experience hearing the sound from this board, from the NCS music through the speakers. They are rated 80 watts and I have played it on 100 watt speakers. Please hit the like button, then only YouTube will promote the video to more viewers. And if you are interested in more videos like this, audio related queries, then please subscribe to watch more of my videos. Thank you for watching.